Again, we honor Saint Rose of Lima, second patroness of our country. She had such great love for God. No? Pinapangit niya yung sarili niya para walang umibig sa kanya, para yung pagmamahal niya, walang manligaw sa kanya, para yung focus niya ang Panginoon. No? It's a beautiful story. She has red cheeks because nilalagyan niya ng paminta yata para pumangit siya. No? Imagine. No? But anyway, we thank God for her. We ask her intercession, especially for our country, which needs her prayers, and for all of us. We also honor the heart of Jesus today, like most Fridays. At napakaganda ng ebanghelyo natin tungkol sa pagmamahal. No? Ang ating responsorial psalm, ang pinakaunang dapat natin gawin. What is the responsorial psalm? Give thanks to the Lord, for His love is everlasting. Ito pala yung una, no? Sinasabi natin, I always remember, I should love. No, hindi pala yun ang una. Hindi yung pagmamahal ko. Kundi tanggapin natin ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. We give thanks for His God is everlasting. Pag natanggap natin yun, then we give. We cannot give something we do not have, hindi ba? Kung wala ako, paano ko bibigay? Kahit na gustong-gusto ko magbigay, first, accept the love of God. Pag natanggap natin yan, which requires a lot of humility, then I can love. Pag natanggap ko yung pagmamahal, then I can give. So the first thing is to receive His love. We give thanks to the Lord, for His love is everlasting. Then I can love. Everything revolves on that. The God of love. Napakahalaga na paalala sa atin. Because the fuel, yung lakas natin, nagmumula sa pagmamahal. Otherwise, without love, nakakapagod mabuhay. It is boring. We do things out of obligation. Parang automatic lang, automatic. Nagsisimba ako kasi, di ba? Pero kung walang pagmamahal, lip service, nakakapagod. Umuwi ka sa bahay, sa iyong asawa, pero dahil obligasyon, hindi pagmamahal, nakakapagod. Kung nabubuhay tayo dahil obligasyon, walang inspirasyon, nakakapagod. Parang sayang. What a waste. The Spirit of love, the Spirit of God, will change everything. If we do things out of love, I come to Mass out of love, I serve out of love, beautiful. Pero parang, bakit hindi natin makita? Bakit hindi natin magawa? Alam ko naman yun, alam ko. Kasi nga, kulang yung ating pagiging bukas sa pagmamahal ng Diyos, sa pagtanggap. Giving thanks to the love of God, then we can share that once again. So, babalik tayo sa una. No? Before we can give, we have to accept His love and be grateful for that love. Pasalamat tayo sa pagmamahal ng Diyos, the source of love. But it is only in the Spirit of God. Kaya kailangan natin ang Espiritu ng Diyos. We cannot do it without the Spirit of God. Spirit and love, one and the same actually. But it has to be loving God. No? Sabi niya, minamahal ko naman yan eh. Pero pag hindi ka tulad ng pagmamahal ng Diyos, pagmamahal ko, pagmamahal ng tao, hindi pagmamahal eh. Hindi eh. Kaya parang hirap-hirap naman eh. Love God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul. No? Lahat ng pagmamahal. At pag natanggap natin yan, medyo madali-dali na. Sa gitna ng ating dinadaanan na pagsusubok, mga dinadaanan na hirap sa buhay, nalalampasan natin yan dahil sa pagmamahal ng Diyos para sa atin. Kaya itong Friday na devotion ng kamalmahalang puso ni Jesus ay tunay na magandang paalala sa atin. That is why we always have to be attached to the God of love. And the only way to be attached to that love of God is in prayer. Pag walang panalangin, walang komunikasyon, imposible rin eh. Kaya napakahalaga ng pamamalagi natin sa Adoration Chapel. No? I am reminded of that myself. No? Constantly, I have to visit the Adoration Chapel more and spend time. We really have to spend time. That is the beautiful price we have to pay. Parang kailangan talaga natin ng effort. Nothing comes easy. There are always sacrifices involved. Always, always. But we are reminded of that today. We thank God for the God of love. As we pray for, supposedly, it's a holiday today. Kasi rin, di ba, dapat Ninoy Aquino Day ngayon, August 21, inurong ngayon. We pray for our country. Its secondary patroness, St. Joseph Lima, to help us achieve this. We thank God for our nation. We thank God for people who offer their lives, their blood, for the good of the country. May we have our love for country because of your love you have given us.